When you turn off your TV, your space will be reborn with world-class masterpieces. You can have all these beautiful works and enjoy them right at home. Ready to give it a try? Just follow along. It's easy to get started. Just sign up for a membership and choose one of the default artworks for free, or start a paid subscription and get access to a wealth of amazing new content. Works are constantly being updated, with new pieces from famous art museums and artists around the world recommended just for you. Payment is simple too. Just register a payment method and you're all set. Don't miss your chance to get a free coupon for the art store. New customers can get a free coupon by selecting apps from the Smart Hub and going to the Samsung Promotions app. So, let's go on and see what the art store has waiting for us. The first screen is Recents, where you can see the latest works. And in My Collection, you can see all your favorite art pieces together. Search lets you find works by name or by artist name. Then we have the News and Events menu and the Settings menu. In addition, the art store helps you choose from a variety of works to suit your taste. Let's take a closer look. Here we have the Highlight, Popular, Curations, and Partners menus. And you can even select works by medium, subject, color, or artist. From the Popular menu, you can see the most popular works of the month. You can also start a slideshow and enjoy their diverse range of works immediately without any setup. And from the Partners menu, you can check out works from museums and galleries around the world and also get information from our various partners. It's easy to check out related works too. Just use the menu at the bottom like this. View works collected together by color, or sort by artist to find an artist you like. If you want to learn more about a work, you can access a wealth of information including explanations and related videos. Transform your home with sophistication and beauty with the art store only on the Frame.